Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Black Ops 6 crashing while loading zombies. Let's fix it guys. Unfortunately, there is not one solution that works for everybody. So you need to try each of these steps to find the one that works for you. First step, you just need to update graphics drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users, use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then check my video description for download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date, guys. After that, just close stuff here. Second step, you just need to verify game files. To do this, you just need to open up battle.net or Steam. Go to library, right click on the Black Ops 6 and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. Third step, you just need to adjust graphics settings. Lowering in-game settings can help with stability. Launch the game and go to settings and go to graphics and adjust the following settings. Texture quality set to low or medium. Shadow quality set to low. Ray tracing disable it. Anti-aliasing set to disable or set to SMWA. VSync disable it. Apply the changes and restart the game. Fourth step, you just need to disable overlays. Overlays from apps like Discord, NVIDIA, GeForce Experience or Steam can cause crashes. So you need to disable these apps. Fifth step, you just need to disable XMP and overclocking. If your CPU, GPU or RAM is overclocked, revert to default clock speeds as overclocking can cause instability in zombies mode. Sixth step, you just need to clear cache files. Clearing cache files can fix corruption. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, select the Steam tab and select settings. On left side select downloads, on right side select clear cache, and after that just close stuff here. Seventh step, you just need to disable third-party antivirus. Third-party antivirus software can interfere with COD files. Temporarily disable antivirus or whitelist the game folder. To disable the antivirus, click on the system tray. If third-party antivirus is running in the background, just right click on them and select disable it. After that, try launching the game. Eighth step, you just need to check system requirements. Ensure your PC meets the game's requirements, minimum requirements of the game. You just need to make sure you have that. After that, just stuff here. Ninth step, you just need to reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. To install the latest DirectX version, you just need to check my video description for the download link. Select the download option and download it. And for Visual C++, scroll down. Depends on your system bit, you just need to download it. This is for 32-bit operating system and this is for the 64-bit operating system. Select the link and download it. Depends on your system bit. After getting download done, you just need to install both files. After that, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Black Ops crashing while loading zombies issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.